Hi Year 3. This is an introductory lesson for our unit which is called Melting Moments. So if you're a smarty pants, you would realise that our unit has something to do with melting things. So yes, we are going to melt things this term. But what exactly does that mean, melting things? Has something to do with heat? Has something to do with energy? Has something to do with changing states. So let's talk about the three states of matter. This icy pole at the moment is in a solid state. Okay, I can't bend it, I can't tip it upside down and it doesn't flow. I couldn't tip it into a cup. It's in a solid state. Okay, at the moment that is solid. This is water. I can tip the container and it flows around the bottle. So this water is in a liquid state. If I put it into the freezer and waited a couple of hours, it would become a solid state. So it would change from liquid to solid, like our icy pole. Here is a cup. What's inside that cup? If you remember back in grade 2, you would say air is in that cup. Air in there is a mixture of gases. So in here is a state of matter. Okay, air is a substance that takes up space. There's gases in there. Okay, so we have a solid state, a liquid state, and a gas state. Three states of matter. Let's see. Imagine I put this bottle of water into the freezer for a few hours and it came out frozen solid. Okay, a big lump of ice. Then I set it on the bench for a couple of hours and it completely melted into a liquid state, water. Then I poured the water into a saucepan and I turned the heat up to high. After a while, that water is going to boil, and guess what? If I left it boiling for a while, it would eventually disappear. But things don't really just disappear, do they? No, they change their state. What's happening is that water got really hot, and when water gets really hot, it turns into a gas. So our water would have gone from ice, which is solid, warmed up into a liquid, warmed up to water, which is a liquid, and then was heated very high and changed into a gas. Exciting stuff, really, isn't it? Three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas. Melting and heating and freezing has all got to do with temperature and energy. And that's what we're learning about this term. Okay, see ya.